When we decided to purchase the Shibaura die casting machines, this is something that we've wanted to do for a long time, many, many years. The Shibaura die casting machines that we've bought in the last year and a half, we bought a fully automated 350 ton and a fully automated 800 ton machine. We've had Shibaura die casting machines in the past. They're a very stout quality machine. They have a lot of longevity and they're well built. They're built in Japan, and we have always over the years wanted to make this move, and we finally decided that it was time to do it so we could improve our efficiencies at our company.
The ability to see the efficiency, the OEE in real time, knowing our uptime, the downtime, knowing that we are able to monitor the entire process, the shot capabilities. It has been an extraordinary tool for us to see the results of those machines because of the data aspect and what it collects and provides us in real time.
So in the industries we serve, some of the challenges that we face are on-time delivery, productivity, and quality. And by going to Shibaura machines, we found that our productivity and quality has increased exponentially by upwards of over 10%.
We have a lot less downtime. We're able to produce a lot more product, a lot more quality product because of the consistency of these machines.
Seeing the technology benefits that the Shibaura machines provide and the instant data tracking availability that we have, I see it in the future allowing us to be much more consistent and allowing our process controls to get even tighter than they already are. Our capabilities have improved tremendously over the years by going through changes from manual to automation and increasing our manufacturing capabilities through improvements of machinery. Shibaura is another key to that puzzle. Having the on-time actual data in front of us, real time, and how that can transition also into some of our other machines, the integration possibilities that make it not so one-sided for us. So it's not like we are only being able to monitor and track one set of machines. The integration of this system universally in our entire foundry is going to be an impact that's beyond anything we've seen in years. So for me, I'm excited about the possibilities of the efficiencies, the real-time data, the quality improvements, the downtime tracking and monitoring, and just the ability to have real-time information to make decisions that are better for the bottom line in the business.
We ship product to Czechoslovakia, we ship product to China, we ship product all over the world. By having these new, faster, more dependable Shibaura die casting machine, we can produce a lot more castings in a much faster time frame.
There was a specific challenge that we met with our agricultural customer where we were die casting a part that was too big for our largest machine, the 730 ton. By incorporating the 800 ton Shibaura, we were able to pull this mold that we had another die caster doing for us in-house. We were able to expand our capability there and offer our customer a part break and increase productivity at the same time. So the benefit with having that Shibaura and great quality and how well built it is made that part easy to manufacture.
So when we first received the first 350 ton machine, it was wonderful to see the differences in the metrics because I'm a big fan of data. Liars figure and figures don't lie. So I'm a data-driven decision maker. And by seeing the results of the machine and its capabilities in comparison to our old machines was night and day. The efficiencies that we're seeing from the data that's collected in the real time is allowing me to make better decisions when it comes to scheduling. Whereas before it was more of an after the fact, having to review data days after maybe a production and not having the information of maybe a couple of hours of a bad run due to a training of a new person or whatever it may be, not having that visibility of the actual production, whereas maybe I wouldn't have left something to run a little longer and I didn't, and having to reorganize my schedule to make up for basically lost metrics. With the real-time data and the information we have now, I'm not going to have to worry as much about losing that information, and I can keep jobs and perform better than we did before.
As we expand our capabilities and incorporate more Shibaura die-cast machines and equipment into our facility, the other part of that is automation. And by going automated, we assure consistency in the product that we manufacture, robotics and things like that. They don't take breaks, they don't call in sick. So by increasing those capabilities through automation, we're going to see even better results in the future.
Because of the new machinery, it creates an excitement. Shibaura has given us an opportunity to allow better training for our die casters. Seeing the engagement of the die casters with the new machinery and how it operates, the safety controls and the parameters that protect them, has given them confidence to run those machines more effectively than before as well. The excitement of the data that's captured is really lending to a better environment, better culture, and better safety for everyone that works at Lamar Tool & Die. Knowing that we have an engaged crew and they are excited about the opportunities because of the new machinery and the capabilities that Lamar's offering has been fantastic.